Hi all, how are you doing? Hope you had a great trading day today. So let's analyze what happened today and what we can expect, from the market from tomorrow. So today's price action, it was very up and down kind of a situation, not a concrete trade at any side. In the morning, it felt that we might see some downside, but I think it was got capped. So let's analyze what happened, and then we will discuss. So I hope you can see my screen. Uh, Nifty has formed kind of a spinning top kind of a pattern at the bottom, and it is at the support, that were there. So if you see the low of this candle, exactly from there the Nifty bounced back today. So still the scenario looks weak and we are having a spinning top. So let's see how it goes. uh, the next target what we discussed already is the swing low that we can see, eventually. But the spinning top form today, now we'll see some kind of a consolidation. That's what my view is. If you see what happened from a market profile point of view, again, the interesting thing. So we had a kind of a downside move, then we went up, then again down, like again went up. So it was kind of a choppy day. And if you see from from the contract traded point of view today, the numbers are very less. So 2000 contracts, A session, B session 2099, C session we saw some buying then. So minus 2002 we got till 6000 and 6 7000, but there was no follow up, on that. And when we have 5 6,000 of buying, the you can't see a trend in a one actual direction. So it was already predicted by market order flow that it would be a choppy day, and exactly that's what happened, since morning. Also, the interesting trade that we took. So if you see the overall numbers of contracts that got traded today were kind of a very less, around 500 600 700 contracts, in one at one position. But interestingly, at around 245, when I was watching it, I saw that somebody buyed around, there was a 1331 contracts at, executed at this level, by contract. And after some 5 minutes time, there was no follow through. So we entered the puts. So the put for, I think 16,000, just let me confirm. Yeah, it was 17,000 put. That was around 4 5 rupees at exactly 230, 235 range. Okay, and that was a time. If you see, this was a time, 245 candle. It made a high here, and we saw that there was somebody trapped in here. And that put that we entered around 5 6 rupees, that went to 56 rupees. Okay, so this is how the perfect, the power of the profile. If you know, which when somebody will be trapped or when somebody will get an upper hand, you can be in their direction. And here it was completely known, because whole day was a sideways day and somebody came in the end and he just wanted to buy a huge quantity. Marcus punished him, and we were just with him. If you see, I think this is the level where he buyed, the contracts, and there you saw a fall of around, so let's say 17,122 to 17,010. So around more than 100 point fall, and you can imagine on the expiry day how the puts will be behaved. So we got around 7 8 rupees put went to 56 rupees. That's the beauty of market profile and order flow combined together. So I think that's it, for Nifty. It is mostly the sideways, market. So we have resistances above, and there are some levels that are there on the downside. But right now, I think we will spend some time around 17,000 level, because both bulls and bears would be activated there. So we will see how it goes, intraday, tomorrow. Mm. Okay, and let's look at Bank Nifty. What happened today on the Bank Nifty side? So, on the Bank Nifty side also kind of a, hammer pattern. It's again trying to go back into the level of the budget day low. Okay, and it exactly took support what we discussed yesterday, this bullish gap. So exactly near to that level, from that level the bank nifty bounced. If we show you the the order flow, sorry, let's analyze this. So yesterday we talked about that these two are the important levels, so market tried to kiss them and just went above, so did not reach to that level. And then we had the similar price pattern, very choppiness in the bank nifty. And if you see how beautifully order flow can predict it, you can see the number of contracts that got traded today in the bank nifty. So in the morning it was 900 contract negative, then 2000 contracts negative. Then we got into a positive zone, but it was capped below 5000 6000 range, which we say it is kind of a sideways zone. And then if you see, again there was a buyer, then there was a seller, eventually we just closed at 2700 contract positive. So definitely this is how the order flow will help you to understand when there would be a choppiness, and when there would be clean buy for the option buyers. Because when you see that okay, there is a huge amount of huge quantity of contracts either sold or buyed, you can carry your position continuously till end of the day. So for example, I can show you, even if you see this, this was a day, the total number of contracts that got sold was 22,950, and that's how you can now see the difference, how it is converted. So we bridged at this level with 7,000 contracts, then 9,000 contracts, then 16, 18, and we had a clean down move. So it was a 13th March. And if you see on the charts as well, on the 13th March, if I just show you 13th of March, what happened? Yeah, this is the 13th of March. So you got a big red candle, and then you can hold your puts. So this is how market order flow can help you to analyze when the market is trending or when the market is not trending. And today, even if you have got some moves, but today, in the option buyer side, specifically it was for scalping, because you don't need to carry the till whole day. You just need to book the profits because the volumes are not supporting on the order flow. And that's how you know when to carry and when not to carry. This is how order flow will help you, to distinguish this. And that's why it's very very nice and easy tool, rather than many complex systems that you want to see. Okay, so yeah, that's it I think for now. We will see how the movement happens intraday, and definitely I'll try to do some live sessions to show you how exactly it works intraday, so that you guys can get a feel of that. Okay, then in the last, yeah, this is a disclaimer. So I think the views shared in this video are only for educational purpose. Please do not take any trade or investment decision based on the views shared. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade or investment decision. We are not responsible for any loss due to any content in this video. Okay, so in the end, be passionate about the markets, learn about it. It's really a good thing to understand and to be part of. Enjoy your learning journey. Good time. Bye bye.